from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking chicken hearts in the air fryer. This is so easy. All we need is chicken hearts, a little bit of oil. I'll use olive oil. It just helps them be more tender, keeps them from drying out. And seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, just keeping it simple, but feel free to use any seasonings you like for chicken hearts. So I'm going to drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil and sprinkle the seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now let's toss them so they're evenly coated with oil and seasoning. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and put chicken hearts in the air fryer basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the chicken hearts so they cook evenly. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. And now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the chicken hearts. Look at that, they look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now I recommend taking the internal temperature of the chicken hearts with the instant beef thermometer to make sure it's at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's over 165, so they're totally cooked. And now if yours aren't cooked, then just put them back in the air fryer for a few more minutes until they're at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit inside. So I'm going to take them out now and put them on a plate. Perfect. Look at these chicken hearts. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So they're so tender. Pierce so easily with a fork. They're so delicious. Very tender. So full of flavor. If you've never tried chicken hearts before, I highly recommend. They're actually very nutritious, good for you, and they're very tasty and tender. I recommend trying them. You'll love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!